This video, you are going to learn how to delete the chats you have in Messenger. Next, the first thing we must do is go to where I appear. We are going to press and hold Messenger application. We go to where it says application information. Once we are information, not all phones have it available. So if you don't have it, you are going to directly on mobile data. Okay, Messenger. Okay, storage. In here, and the next thing we are going to do is delete the application cache. Clear cache. And in case you want to delete absolutely everything, we are going to do delete data here. We explain step by step how to do it. If you have any question, write to us in comments. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like so we can continue producing this type of tutorials and help each other. See you next video.